Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the one food that gives you more energy than coffee naturally. So this one food can give you more sustained energy than coffee, improve your mental clarity, and power you through your entire day, all without jitters, crashes, or afternoon slumps. And in studies, people who ate this food had a 40% more energy and better focus than those who relied on caffeine. Can you guess what it is? It's eggs, but not just any eggs, and not eaten the way that most people eat them. I'm Dr. Strong if you're new to the channel, and what I'm about to reveal to you could replace your coffee addiction with natural all-day energy. So, if you've been here before, welcome back, and if you're new, my name is Dr. Strong, and if you caught my last video about how drinking coffee on an empty stomach sabotages your energy all day, then make sure that you check that out. It's already helping thousands of people fix their morning routine and improve their energy with just simple little fixes. So today I want to share the one food that can give you sustained energy, more sustained energy than any stimulant. If you're tired of depending on caffeine to function, experiencing energy crashes, or looking for natural energy that lasts all day, this could be a game changer that you've been searching for. So if you haven't seen these videos, I'm going to give you actionable steps at the end of this video so that you can actually start applying this. Now, the energy food revelation, the food I'm talking about is eggs, but here's the key. It's not just about eating eggs, it's about eating the right eggs prepared the right way at the right time. Most people think of eggs as just a breakfast food, but eggs are actually nature's perfect energy capsules. They contain every nutrient needed to create life, which means they contain every nutrient needed to fuel your life. Here's what makes eggs the ultimate energy food. It's a complete protein with all essential amino acids, healthy fats that provide sustained energy, B vitamins that fuel cellular energy production, choline for your brain function and mental clarity, iron for oxygen transport to your cells, and vitamin D for energy metabolism. But here's what most people get wrong. They eat eggs with toast, cereal, or other carbs that spike blood sugar and cancel out the energy benefits. When you eat eggs correctly, they provide steady, sustained energy for 4 to 6 hours without any crash. And here's the science of egg energy. Let me explain exactly why these eggs give you better energy than coffee. Coffee's energy mechanism is that it blocks adenosine receptors. It just masks tiredness. It doesn't actually give you energy. It triggers stress hormone releases, provides temporary stimulation, not actual energy, creates dependency and tolerance over time. It leads to crashes when it wears off, but eggs' energy mechanism is that it provides actual fuel for cellular energy production, stabilizes blood sugar for hours, supports neurotransmitter production, enhances mitochondrial function, and creates sustained energy without crashes. The protein power of eggs is that they contain the highest quality protein of any food, a perfect amino acid score of 100. These amino acids are the building blocks for neurotransmitters that regulate mood and energy, enzymes that produce cellular energy, hormones that control metabolism, and muscle tissue that burns calories efficiently. And there's also the healthy fat factor, which is that the fats in eggs, especially from pasture-raised chickens, provide slow-burning fuel that lasts for hours, support for hormone production, enhance absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, stable blood sugar levels, and satiety that prevents energy-draining hunger. Now, here's the blood sugar stability secret. The key difference between eggs and other breakfast foods is that what happens with typical breakfast foods is cereal, toast, pastries, and fruit is that this spikes blood sugar rapidly. Pancreas releases insulin to bring it down, and then blood sugar crashes below the starting point. You feel tired, hungry, and crave more food. Energy becomes a roller coaster all day. And what happens with eggs? Protein and fat are digested slowly, blood sugar rises gently and stays stable, no insulin spike or crash, steady energy for 4 to 6 hours, natural appetite control. And also the satiety factor. Studies show that people who eat eggs for breakfast consume 400 fewer calories throughout the day, have better appetite control, experience fewer cravings, maintain stable energy levels, and lose more weight than those eating carb-heavy breakfasts. Now, it also creates mental clarity. Eggs contain choline, which your brain uses to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for focus and concentration, memory formation, mental clarity, cognitive performance, and mood regulation. Now, there is a right way to eat eggs for energy. Not all eggs are created equal, and how you prepare them matters for energy. So you want to choose the right eggs. Pasture-raised eggs have 3 times more omega-3s and 2 times more vitamin E. Free range is better than conventional, but not as good as pasture-raised. Avoid conventional eggs from caged hens. These have lower nutrient densities, and look for orange yolks, which is a sign of better nutrition. Now, the best preparation methods are soft-boiled or poached. This preserves the nutrients and easy to digest. Scrambled and grass-fed butter adds healthy fats that enhance absorption. Over easy, a runny yolk provides maximum nutrition. And you want to avoid hard-boiled because it oxidizes cholesterol, or fried in vegetable oil. Now, here's the perfect energy combination. 2 to 3 whole eggs, you don't want to skip the yolks, cooked in grass-fed butter or coconut oil, served with leafy greens or avocado. Add sea salt for electrolytes, and then optional, you can add herbs like chives or parsley for extra nutrients. Now, what not to eat eggs with? Toast, bagels, or other refined carbs, hash browns or breakfast potatoes, sugary breakfast meats with additives, fruit juice, or sweetened coffee. These additions spike blood sugar and cancel out the energy benefits. Here's the timing strategy. When you eat eggs when you eat eggs matters as much as how you eat them. Sorry, little tongue twister. Now, the optimal timing is that you want to eat eggs within 2 hours of waking up. This aligns with your natural cortisol rhythm, provides fuel when your body needs it most, and sets you up for stable energy all day. Now, here's the pre-workout power. Eggs 1 to 2 hours before exercise provides sustained fuel, better than pre-workout supplements or energy drinks. No crash during or after your workout, and supports muscle recovery and growth. Now, you can also use them as a strategic snack. Hard-boiled eggs make perfect afternoon snacks. I know I said that was the least likely way to use them, but it's better than any of the other options. Prevent the 3 p.m. energy crash, provide protein and sustained energy, and much better than vending machine options. Now, the evening option is eggs for dinner can improve sleep quality. Tryptophan in eggs supports melatonin production, and then stable blood sugar prevents middle of night waking. Light protein meal won't disrupt sleep like heavy foods. Now, here's what your energy transformation will look like. When you make eggs your primary source instead of coffee, here's what happens. Week 1 is the stabilization period. More stable morning energy, less dependence on caffeine. Reduced mid-morning hunger, better appetite control throughout the day. Week number 2 is when you're going to see sustained power, consistent energy for 4 to 6 hours after eating eggs, improved mental clarity and focus, better workout performance, reduced afternoon energy crashes. Week 3 through 4, optimization, natural energy that doesn't require stimulants, better mood stability, improved body composition, more muscle, less fat, and enhanced cognitive function. And then the long-term benefits of this are stable blood sugar and insulin sensitivity, better hormone production and balance, improved muscle mass and metabolism, enhanced brain function and memory, natural weight management, and then reduced inflammation throughout the body. Now, here are the most common concerns I get about eggs, so I want to address them. But what about cholesterol? Now, there's a big fallacy out there about where cholesterol comes from, but dietary cholesterol doesn't raise blood cholesterol in most people. Your liver produces 80% of your cholesterol regardless of diet. Eggs actually improve your cholesterol profile. The cholesterol in eggs is needed for hormone production. So I don't have time to cook eggs. Hard boil a dozen eggs on Sunday for the week. Like I said, it's a better option than vending machine options. Scrambled eggs take 3 minutes to make. Egg muffins can be prepared in batches, and even fast food restaurants have egg options. So while the latter two, you can make like little egg muffins, and what that looks like is that you put them in a muffin pan and you wrap bacon around them and put the egg in the middle. And we're not talking about using like an actual muffin. It's just the egg wrapped in bacon. So there's no carbs with that. Now, the other thing is that eggs are boring. Add different herbs and spices. Make omelets with vegetables, try different cooking methods, or you can combine it with avocado, salsa, or hot sauce. Now, what if I'm allergic to eggs? True egg allergies are rare in adults. Many people who think they're allergic just have digestive issues from poor quality eggs. Try pasture raised eggs first. If truly allergic, focus on other high quality proteins. Now, here's how you maximize this egg energy. And these are my advanced strategies for getting the maximum benefits. So the power combo is 3 eggs plus half avocado plus spinach equals a perfect energy meal. Provides proteins, healthy fats, and micronutrients. Keeps you satisfied for 5 to 6 hours and supports both physical and mental energy. Now you can boost the nutrient content by adding a pinch of turmeric or other anti-inflammatory benefits. Include sea salt for electrolyte balance. Add herbs like chives or parsley for extra vitamins. Cooking grass-fed butter for additional healthy fats. Now, the hydration factor is that you want to drink water with your eggs, not coffee. Proper hydration enhances nutrient absorption, and dehydration can mask the energy benefits. So save coffee for 2 to 3 hours later if desired. And then the movement connection. Light movement after eating eggs enhances energy. A 5 to 10 minute walk improves nutrient absorption. Don't sit immediately after eating, and the combination of eggs plus movement equals sustained energy. So, in closing, remember that real energy comes from real food, not stimulants. When you fuel your body with the nutrients it actually needs, you get sustained energy that lasts all day without crashes or side effects. Don't let another day go by depending on artificial energy when nature's perfect energy food is sitting in your refrigerator. I'm Dr. Strong, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to reveal the one vitamin deficiency that's making you tired no matter how much you sleep. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. It really helps me reach more people and achieve my goal of helping as many people as possible improve their quality of life and also overcoming their chronic health conditions. Share this with family or friends who may be struggling or need help. And also, there's free resources in the description below, so you can check those out. And if you have any questions, please just comment, reach out. I would love to help you however I can. All right, everybody, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.